In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Photopea. We're going to add a clean professional border to an image using Photopea, a free browser-based editor that works a lot like Photoshop. Start by opening your web browser and visiting photopea.com. Give it a moment to load. You'll see a canvas area in the center, a toolbar on the left, and the Layers panel on the right. From the Start screen, click Open from Computer. This brings up your file chooser so you can pick the image you want to edit. Select your photo and open it. Once it appears on the canvas, glance at the Layers panel on the right to ensure your photo layer is highlighted. That tells Photopea which layer you're styling. Now we'll add the border using a layer style. Go to the top menu and choose Layer, then Layer Style, and select Stroke. This opens the Layer Style window with options specifically for the stroke effect. You'll see controls for position, size, color, and more. Set the position to inside. This is important if you want crisp, sharp edges. Inside keeps the whole border within the image bounds, avoiding soft edges that can happen with outside or center on photos with transparency or rounded details. With inside chosen, adjust the size slider to set your preferred border thickness. There isn't a single right value here. It depends on your image resolution and the look you're after. On smaller images, something between 4 and 12 pixels often looks clean. On larger images, you might go heavier. Keep an eye on the live preview so you can judge the balance as you drag. Next, choose your border color. White or black are classic choices for contrast, but feel free to match a color from your image for a more cohesive look. You can also tweak the opacity if you want a softer, more subtle frame, and leave the blend mode on normal for a straightforward result. When you're happy with the preview, click OK to apply the stroke. You should now see the border around your image on the canvas. If you want to fine-tune it after seeing it full size, just reopen the settings by double-clicking the stroke effect listed under your layer in the Layers panel, and adjust the size or color as needed. That's all it takes. Open your image, apply a stroke layer style, set it to inside, adjust the size to taste, and confirm. You now have a clean border that frames your photo and makes it stand out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with Photopea.